Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt like your TradingView desktop app has gone a bit messy from experimenting with charts, indicators, or different settings, and you just want that clean, fresh start, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to fully reset your TradingView desktop app. By the end of this video, you'll know how to wipe the slate clean and restore TradingView to a pristine state, so you can avoid clutter and start trading with a clear mind. Let's dive right in. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up your TradingView desktop app. If you haven't already, go ahead and launch it now and make sure you're logged into your account. Every change you make to layouts is connected to your TradingView profile, so you definitely want to start off on the right one. Once you're in the app, look toward the upper left or right-hand corner for the products menu. It's usually up in the navigation bar. You'll see options like Chart, Screener, and others, all grouped under that Products button. Give that a click just to reorient yourself and remember how TradingView organizes its features. This step isn't just about finding our way. It's helpful in case you ever want to jump between tools or learn more about what's available. Now, you might be searching around for a big red reset button or some kind of setting that instantly returns everything to default. I get it, that would be super handy. But the truth is, TradingView doesn't actually have a dedicated one-click reset option. It can be a bit confusing at first, especially if you're coming from other platforms where a reset button exists. But don't worry, we've got a workaround that's just as effective, and honestly, it gives you a bit more control over your workspace. So here's the trick. What we're actually going to do is create a brand new layout. Think of layouts as separate rooms in your TradingView house. Every time you make a new layout, it's like stepping into a freshly painted, empty room where you can decorate from scratch. All your charts, indicators, drawings, and even your color scheme will be reset to default in this new space. To do this, move your attention up to the Layout Name area. You'll usually find this in the middle or upper right part of your TradingView window, displaying the current name of your chart layout, something like Default or a custom name you gave it. Click on that name and a little drop-down menu will appear. If you haven't noticed this menu before, take a second to explore. You'll see options like renaming, saving, or even deleting layouts. Right there, you'll spot the option to create new layout. Go ahead and click on that. TradingView will prompt you to name your new layout. You can stick with the default suggestion or type in something like Fresh Start to remind yourself that this is your clean slate. After you confirm, a brand new blank workspace will appear. You'll notice all your previous indicators, studies, and drawings are gone, and your chart is reset to its original state. And that's it, you've essentially reset your TradingView desktop experience. I recommend keeping your old layouts just in case you want to refer back, but from here forward, you can customize your new layout precisely the way you like, without any leftover clutter. If that seemed a little too quick, don't worry about it. Take your time with each step, and remember, you can always have multiple layouts to suit different trading styles or markets. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a like and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want more tips on making the most of TradingView. And don't forget to subscribe, we have plenty more easy-to-follow guides coming your way. Good luck with your fresh start and happy trading.